Warm and inviting. Brushed nickel finish provides a lightly brushed warm gray metallic look. Flexible placement. For use in the bath as well as the kitchen for hanging towels and more. Peace of mind. Designed for hassle-free installation. Coordinating collection. Coordinates with other faucets and accessories in the Brantford collection. With its timeless design and traditional style, the Moen Brantford 24-inch bathroom towel bar brings classic appeal to any bathroom. The 24-inch bar offers ample space for hanging multiple towels, washcloths, and other bathroom items. Designed with the Pro Fit system for quick and secure installation, this towel bar includes mounting hardware and a convenient template that make installation easy. It is available in a highly reflective chrome finish, warm brushed nickel finish, and rich oil-rubbed bronze finish to match your decor. From the manufacturer, the Brantford collection features a traditional style giving your home a beautiful look and timeless appeal. Moen is dedicated to designing and delivering beautiful products that last a lifetime. Moen offers a diverse selection of kitchen faucets, kitchen sinks, bathroom faucets and accessories, and showering products. Moen products combine style and functionality with durability for a lifetime of customer satisfaction. Top reviews from the United States. 20 long installed, 18 is just the rod length. A bit expensive for what it is, but looks nice and matches the other products I purchased from the Brantford collection. Only issue I have is that the 18 length noted in the product description is the length of the rod itself, not the full length of the towel holder once installed. The end pieces add one on both ends for a total length of 20. I only have 19 to work with in the powder room where this will be installed. Fortunately, the rod is hollow and we should be able to cut it to length with a pipe cutter.